Happy Friday! Happy si Ate today, so I think she's actually fine to go to school. Okay? She woke up first. Hindi nga ako nag-alarm kasi nga I wasn't gonna put her to school today, but she woke up on the dot ng 7. Nasanay na kasi siya. And
it was Daddy sleep.
I know, Daddy's asleep. Daddy's asleep. So Ati's gonna go to school today. Okay? Is that good? Say yes, Mommy. I wanna go to school today. Parang siya today, guys, because she's happy. Do you want Weet-Bix instead, Ate? I'll give you Weet-Bix na. Sorry. Pinalitan ko ng Weet-Bix, guys, kasi... Wait, I gotta crush her, Weet-Bix, silly boy.
Oh, wow. Yucky!
Yeah, pinalitan ko ng Weet-Bix kasi nakalimutan ko. Crunchy pala yung Coco Crunch. I-eat it na, Ate.
Okay.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your...
And dami milk.
Oh, drink your milk.
Problems away, I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.
Nag-almusal na sila lahat, pero nag-decide ako, hindi ko na lang siya papasukin din kasi nga 8 o'clock na pala. Baka mamaya magtalon-talon doon, like, you know. Yeah, hindi ko na lang siya. Kasi maaraw din pa mo. Kala ko kasi uulan din today. Kapag uulan today, papasukin ko siya kasi alam ko hindi sila magki-playground. Like, hindi sila lalabas ng classroom. Alam mo yun. Parang hindi naman uulan. Baka mamaya pang hapon. Nagawa ko na yung recess box niya, pero yung lunch box niya hindi ko pa nagawa. So, sabi dito. Yeah, parang wala naman masyadong ulan. Ayan. Baya, hindi ko na lang siya papasukin din kasi nga baka idalhin ko na lang sila sa park mamaya. Kasi inaano ko, baka magtalon-talon dun. Kakabunot lang nga niya ng ngipin. So, yeah. Anyway, magkape na ako. Nasabi ko ba kahapon na 2 ngipin niya yung nabunot? Magkape na ako. 7 na sa taas pa. So, hindi ko alam anong oras papasok yun. Sabi niya 8 eh. Mamaya, meron kaming cleaner ng alauna. And then, i-deliver pala yung bed nga today, yung mattress and yung bed frame. So, yeah. Mamaya tatawagin sila kung anong oras sila dadating. So, yeah. Mamaya, pag dumating yung cleaner, ilalabas ko sila para makatulog din si Riker ng tanghali. So, yeah. May binili pa pala akong isang swivel chair para sa bedroom nila. Yung parang eggs style. Ayan. Kape na tayo, guys. Dito sila sa playroom. Sige, tanong natin si Riker kung alam niya na.
I see animal.
Animals, yes. Okay, can you do this one? What animals this one?
Cow.
Very good.
Dog.
Well done.
No.
No, that's a chicken.
Chicken.
Mm-hmm.
No. No.
It's a rooster.
No.
What animal's that one?
Duck.
Well, very good.
Tractor.
Tractor. Horsey. What does the horse says?
Neigh. Ash.
House. Oh, where's the other one? The other one's missing. This one. That one's missing. Where is it gone? Uh-oh. Who got it? Oh no, it's on the floor.
On the wall.
There it is.
There he is.
Oh, di ba pinahirapan sarili? You're funny, right? What animal?
Pig. Yay! Yay!
What does the pig says? What does the pig says?
Oink.
Oink, oink. Yeah, nandun.
Off, off. This is Kadi Wash.
Oh, your car's crashed. So many cars crashed. IKEA na between 8 to 2 yung delivery nila. So, hintayin ko na lang kung anong oras yung sa mattress. So, ang gagawin ko sa bedroom, bumili din ako ng glow in the dark stars nga. So, itry ko yun kung kakayanin ko sa ladder. 2-step lang kasi yung ladder na meron kami. So, baka si Ben yung maglagay na actually. Kasi medyo high yung ceiling. And then, yung mga stuffed toy nila, dito, na nandito nakatago, ililipat ko sa taas para at least, yeah, it's for bed. It's for their bedroom. Like yung malaki kong Costco na teddy bear, doon ko ililipat sa kanilang bedroom para talagang cozy and ma-feel nila na, oh, bedroom talaga namin. And pwede silang mamili ng kanilang stuff toy kung sino sabi nila matulog. Si Harley pa lang naman yung nagaganon. Si Riker, wala rin naman siyang dinadala sa cars. Dinadala niya sa bed is cars. Kaso na, inis ako minsan kasi mahahagis niya ang sakit. Ang sakit kasi yung mga cars niya. Bakal ba yan? Ewan ko. Oh, your car's crashed because you shaked it. You're like King Kong. Oh, like the dinosaur there. Or the dragon. That's a dragon. Yeah, your car's crashed. Oh, wow. Kinuha niya ang kanyang swim hat. Oh, bakit ka naka-hat, madam? Ay, sus. Oh, no.
Oh no!
Wow. Bakit naka-hat si madam? Where are you going, madam?
Oh, nobody read it!
What? Here guys, nandito na yung IKEA. So, ilalagay ni Kuya sa taas. Here guys, yung kalilinis ko lang sa taas. Ang kalat na naman dito. Life with a toddler. Look at that. Oh my God. Mamayang gabi ko na yan. Linisin. Kaloka ka, Riker. Si Riker yan for sure. Kasi si ate niya, hindi na. Who did this? Kagigil ka. Riker, who did that? Huh?
Oh no!
O, tinan mo, pinunas mo na yun. Bobby. Yan si ate guys, nag-color lang. Ito pala yung ginawa niya sa akin ng Mother's Day. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko ba. Yeah, hindi kasi ako nag-vlog nun eh. So, yan. Cute. Oh, look at that. So, dikit-dikit siya sa kanyang photo. Ang cute ng artwork nila, oh. He helped me grow. Cute. Ganyan pang picture. Oh. Diba? Oh, cute. So, ikikip ko yan. Baka i-display ko yan sa room nila. Yes? What happened to your scooter? Si daddy nanonood ng NBA. You guys, sinimisin ko lang pala to kasi may cleaner pala kami today. Nakakahiya naman talaga. Pero yan, i-check ko na lang lahat to dito. Next time ko na yan i-organize. Pasawa yung ating 2 years old.
Wow!
Hey, can you help Mama? Hey. Yeah, can you help me please? Help Mama pack away please. Oh, here Rika, pack away all the letters in here. Yeah, you go around it. Okay. Put it all in the box. Put it all in the box, baby. Ang dami namin ganito kasi si Harley dati, mahilig siya sa ganito. Nakakabisa lang siya i-pack away, pero anyway. Oh, here, baby. Rika. And ngayon, si Riker na yung gumagamit. Oh, Riker, Riker, Flynn. No, you don't have to put it back on there. Just put it in here. Put it everything here. Riker. Ito, oh. Look at Mommy. Look at what Mommy's doing. Pack it. Oh, wait, later.
No, what is this? What is this? Me. Oh, man.
Riker.
What's that in? What is this?
You just put it in here. We'll arrange it later because we have lots to do.
See? What is this, Mommy? Dr. C?
This one, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Meron kasi ng ganito.
Mommy.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What is it today? Today is...
Saturday.
Friday.
Friday.
Ayan guys. So, ito yung bed frame from IKEA. There's 3 boxes here. And then, ito yung swivel chair na binili ko. Ayan. Isang box lang siya. You guys, nagawa ko na yung egg chair.
Mommy, again.
Nagsiksikan sila dyan. Okay, round and round the garden. Like a teddy bear. A 1 step, a 2 step, and a tickly Okay, where are you guys? Peekaboo! Where are you guys? Peekaboo! Ayan, so ito yung mga parts ng bed guys. So itry kong umpisahan. Pauwi pa lang yata si Ben yan.
Know how much I love you, wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?
don't have the energy left. The mattress looks good. No, you're not cooking tonight then.
Because someone.
Do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now.
Guys,
But I
itain na lang natin to. So, hindi ko ito mabubuo. Hindi namin ito mabubuo tonight. Diyos ko, yung kasama ko pagod. Pagod sa work and, yeah. Nakabuisit lang dito sa IKEA eh. Kailangan talaga may, makapagawa ko na lang ito bukas. Kung may bubuka kong magagawa, guys. Itong egg na buo pa naman, okay lang. Kakalaka. Visitin pa mo bukas. This weekend. Ayan guys. Na-start ko na siya. So, sa number 6 na si Ben. Siya natatapos siya kasi magluluto pa ako. Ayan, magluto na tayo ng dinner guys. Yung mga bata na sa baba. So, I'm gonna cook chicken lang naman para mabilis. It's already, 5 p.m. Ay, dumating na rin pala yung mattress. So, hindi ko pa nakapakita yan. Ayan siya. Oh. Double size. Nanonood ako ng Showtime. Kain na yung dalawa, guys.
Get all your sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you